Hey everyone, Simon Karim here, and today I'm excited to show you Marina Key by Arium in Lake Park, Florida. Picture yourself living right on the Intracoastal Waterway. That's what makes Marina Key special. The moment you walk into these spacious one, two, and three bedroom apartments, you'll notice the upgrades stainless steel appliances, wood style flooring, and of course, your very own washer and dryer. Many homes come with balconies where you can enjoy that coastal breeze. Step outside and it feels like a resort. You've got a sparkling pool and even a marina with boat dock parking. Fitness center? Absolutely. Now, what I love most about Marina Key is the neighborhood lifestyle. You're just minutes from local favorites like Pelican Cafe for breakfast, Southern Kitchen Diner for a home-style meal. For outdoor fun, you can stroll over to Kelsey Park on the water, let the kids play at Burt Winters Park, or enjoy a quiet afternoon at the North Pavilion. Shopping. The plaza at Lake Park gives you big box convenience. And for families, schools are right here in town. You've got Lake Park Elementary, Lake Park Baptist School, and Coastal Middle and High School, all within just a few minutes. When it comes to rent, Marina Key is priced higher than older apartments in Lake Park. So if you're ready to experience waterfront living with all the conveniences of Lake Park right outside your door, give me a call. This is Simon Kareem. Call or text me at 5617040091 or visit simonkensel.com. I'd love to show you around Marina Key and help you find the perfect floor plan.